beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Vina and I'm so happy to have you back. In today's video, we're going to deny or confirm the theory that aloe vera gel can make our hair grow faster. You know, there's so much information about aloe vera on YouTube. A lot of people making videos using it. I use it a lot for everything, to moisturize my hair, to grow my hair. But is it really growing our hair faster, healthier, thicker, longer, and stronger like people say? So I'm gonna go ahead and use aloe vera gel every single day for 30 days to see if it really works or it's only in our minds. Ready to see the before and after results? Let's go into the video. The only ingredient we're gonna be using for this challenge is aloe vera gel. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare it. You surely know how I do this. I first cut the size of the aloe vera leaf, then I cut it in smaller pieces to take the gel easier. Then I cut the upper part off like you see me do and take the gel out with a spoon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my hand blender and blend everything together well for a few seconds. And with a wee cup, cheesecloth or screener, I'm gonna squeeze the gel to avoid white flakes on the hair. Now I'm gonna transfer the gel to the container I'm gonna be using to apply it on my hair. I'm using a dropper. You can use an applicator butter or whatever you can use to apply it on, and my aloe vera gel is ready to be used. Guys, for this challenge I'm gonna be doing 3 things. First, I'm gonna put my hair in a protective style to avoid manipulating my hair during the time I'm gonna be applying the aloe vera treatment. This is something I always do before doing a 30 days experiment because I don't know if my hair is going to have a bad reaction to the ingredient. It can get dry and break. I know aloe vera is safe to use, but 30 days is a long time. I don't know what could happen. If my hair gets dry or hard, it doesn't matter because I'm not gonna be manipulating it and my hair is gonna be protected from my hands all the time. Okay, the second thing is to look at the date on which we're gonna start the challenge. And as you can see, today is Wednesday, January 13 of 2021. And the third thing I'm gonna be doing is to measure my hair on day 1 so we can see if aloe vera actually did help my hair to grow faster. This way we can have a before and after. I left this little section out to measure it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tip so we can get a clear number like this. I'm gonna cut just a little bit more. Yeah, enough. This is what we were looking for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my tape measure and measure my strand. And 33, 34, 35, 36. I'm gonna go ahead and measure one more time just to make sure. And yeah, we have 36 centimeters on day 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this section up. And this is how my hair looks. The cornrows are very nice and fresh. So it's time to apply our aloe vera gel. I'm gonna apply my aloe vera gel directly to my scalp, making sure all my scalp is soaked in gel and helping my aloe vera treatment to penetrate my hair follicles by giving small touches. When I'm done applying the aloe vera, I'm gonna massage my scalp for a few seconds and then I'm gonna put my shower cap for 30 minutes Then I'll take it off and let my hair dry. Guys, this is day 10 and look at my hair. As you can see, it's growing faster than usual. Yeah, I think it's working very well, but also look at all these white flakes in my hair. And you saw me squeezing the aloe vera gel, right? I'm gonna have to screen my aloe vera gel one more time. And look all the pulp it has. I think next time I'm not gonna use a wig up to screen my aloe vera gel. I'll better use a screener or a cheesecloth. Okay guys, this is day 15. I washed my hair to remove dirt and aloe vera smell, and then I conditioned my hair as normal. I know this is something you're gonna ask. I only washed my hair once during the whole challenge. This is how my hair was looking on day 1. The braids were very nice and fresh, and this is how my braids look on day 28. As you can see, there's a lot of new growth, which I'm so excited about, guys. Aloe vera gel has been doing a fantastic job, and I cannot wait to see how much my hair grew with aloe vera. I went ahead and took out my braids on day 28. You already have the video on the channel. As you can see, I took all my braids out except from the ones on the sides because I wanted to take them out with you on day 30. I actually had to see the first video to see which side I measure. And okay, I got it. It's this one. Now I'm gonna be taking out this little section, detangle it, and finally measure it. Now I'm actually gonna be measuring my hair to see how many centimeters my hair grew this month. Before measuring, I really wanna go ahead and check the date to see what day we finished the aloe vera challenge. And as you can see, today is Saturday, February 13 of 2021. And now I'm ready to finally take my tape measure and measure my strand. Guys, how many centimeters do you think my hair grew? Let's see. "38 centimeters. I think a little bit less. I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure. "37, 38. Yeah, 38 centimeters, which means that my hair grew 2 centimeters. I thought it was gonna be better than onion juice or ginger juice, but they work the same way. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. I need to be very clear and transparent with all of you guys. I'm gonna take a little more of my hair from the sides and I'm gonna measure it. This should measure 40 centimeters if it's true that all my hair grew 2 centimeters with aloe vera gel. Because the last challenge I made was with onion juice, and I started the challenge with a hair length of 36 centimeters and I finished with 38 centimeters. So you may be wondering, why did I start this challenge with 36 instead of 38? First, we have cut it a bit, and second, my hair in the corner is usually shorter. So this new strand should measure 40 because when we measured last time in the onion juice challenge, the last length was 38 plus 2, 40. And as you can see, my hair length is between 40 to 41. There's no doubt that aloe vera can make your hair grow faster. Do not believe me, do not believe other people. You have to do your own test so you can see how it works on your hair. So guys, that is it for today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Love you all guys, and I see you in my next video. Bye.